What the hell? First catch of the day. He wanted to get hooked. Dang. Man, ooh-wee. All right, well, caught this turtle. Let me unhook him. I'll get back to you. All right, well, the Lunkerhunt actually catches turtles too. Nice catch right there. He's alright. Send him back on his way. Dang. Well, he hooked on to the Lunkerhunt hat spin. Didn't mean to hook a turtle, but if he gets hit by it, he's gonna get it. So, well, first catch of the day. My first catch was actually a turtle. Wasn't really trying to hook it, but somehow he got hooked on. And to be honest, I thought it was a catfish at first, or maybe a log or something. But I'm fishing this pond. It's actually 3 ponds. Like next to it is like 2 more ponds. Kind of local, and I've been throwing around lipless crankbaits, jerkbait, even through a swim bait, also a jig, and I've been getting striked. But again, I believe my hooks might be too large to hook these fish, so I switched over to the actual Lunkerhunt just because of the small hooks. Might be easier for me to hook something, or for them to bite it and hook on better than the bigger hooks. As you saw, that turtle got hooked up. But we're gonna keep fishing right here for a little bit, move to one of these other little smaller ponds. Hopefully we'll hook up with some fish instead of turtles. But all right, stay tuned. Yes. Yes, got him on the top lip with this Strike King Lipless crankbait. It's a nice sized bass for a pond. Yes, there's actual bass inside here. So I'm gonna say about 1.5, maybe almost 2 pounds. Real nice fish right there though. Yes. So just been throwing the lipless, man. So there's fish in here. Smells delicious. Send him back on his way. Remember, catch and release. I don't ever take the fish home. And some people don't understand that. Like, they look at me like if I'm crazy when I tell them that I don't keep the fish. But man, to me it's a hobby, it's a sport. I'm not really out here trying to eat, so that's what I do. All right, stay tuned. Hopefully we hook into another one. Throw some more. Dang, he was shallow. So it's fishing with Drew, if I didn't mention it already. What's going on, YouTube? Out here fishing at these ponds and throwing this lipless crankbait, and I'm really just got another one. Unless it's the same fish. I am loving it. It might be the same one, or no? This one actually looks a little bit bigger. Hooked him right there on top of the nose. See that? As soon as I felt him hit, set the hook. All right, I am actually loving it at this pond. Ooh, got something deep down in there. I'm gonna grab some pliers, see what they're munching on. Looks like it's another bait fish. He's deep down there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, he's way down in there. This one's bigger. It's about a 2-pound fish right here. Oh yes. I love that smell. So again, I'm just throwing the lipless crankbait and hooked into that fish. This one's a nicer size. Smells delicious. All right, again, catch and release. And there she goes. Whew. Hopefully we'll hook another one. Stay tuned. All right, boys and girls, I think I found a little school, or I just found the juice. I found a nice little spot out here, and about maybe 10-15 minutes from my house. Nice little pond. Ooh, I got knocked again. Ooh, they're here. All right, see if we could try and hook into another one. But throwing that lipless crankbait, there's like 3 ponds right here. I'm at the very last one. I just got hit again. Ooh. That last one right now is a little bit bigger than the first one, so it wasn't the same fish. I guarantee it wasn't the same one. Now, this is the last pond. I fished the other 2. I had some strikes and nibbles on the first one where I caught the turtle. The second one, I had no luck. And on this one, so far I got 2 bass. Nice sized bass too for a pond. I mean, look, I mean, you could pretty much see from end to the end. Right here on a busy street. It's right like a park where people come and walk their dogs, you know, ride bikes and walk around. And you know, people probably discouraged that there's fish in here, and you know, I'm starting to just, you know, check them out. Like, let me pull over and throw a searching bait. So searching bait with this one is the lipless crankbait. It's like a summertime crawfish color, brown top, yellow orange tint to it. It's a striking, I believe it's a 1/2 ounce or maybe a 5/8. But all I'm doing is casting it out and reeling it in. No special retrieves like a yo-yo or anything like that. Just straight. Oh, got me another one. Oh, he came on. Dang, that was exciting. Like I said, I found the juice. I found the spot. So I'm gonna just keep on fishing. See how many I can end up with today. Oh, that one was a little bit smaller, but it was still a nice, good size. And and it's a bass. So I'm pretty sure we're not done. I'm gonna just keep casting it around, casting it everywhere, and most definitely I will be coming back out here. Hopefully we catch another one though. So I'm throwing the Strike King, right? And I'm throwing it on my loose carbon blue speed stick. It's a 7:1:1 gear ratio, 6 foot 10 inch rod, 30-pound Power Pro braided line with a 15-pound leader. Alright, maybe I'm retrieving it a little bit too fast. I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit, and hopefully that gets them rowdy. But so far I landed 2, and I also landed a turtle. But there's fish here, so that's a good thing. I would have had 3, but fortunately that last one came off. See if there's any more back here. So I am done fishing. Like I said, there's 3 ponds that are right here, and to be honest, the third one is the charm, like they always say, and that's the one where I landed those 2 fish. I had 3. That last one got off on me. It was a little small one though, so I wasn't really tripping about it. But nice size bass in here. That last one had to be almost 2 pounds at least. It wasn't the same fish, I swear. Y'all saw me as I was rolling. But either way it goes, I had a blast, excuse me. But also, I didn't mean to hook into that turtle. He bit onto my bait and happened to hook him. But he made it alive. I mean, he wasn't bleeding or anything. I took the hook out and he was able to swim off. But definitely will be coming back. I had a lot of fun. Like I said, don't get discouraged. If you see a pond or a little body of water by your house or anywhere, go check it out. You never know, there might be some fish out there. Just get a searching bait. Normally crankbait, lipless bait, spinner bait is a good one to use. Anything like that, fast action, will do the job. And you never know, you might have this magic pond right by your house, right down the street. So go check them out. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. If you really like the video, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.